Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have another sneak peek. Oh my goodness. Okay, first off, please forgive my voice. I am getting over some nasty bronchitis, pneumonia, stuff like that. But what do you do when you don't feel good? You dive into your craft. And I'm so excited that Diamond Art Club came out with a fabulous lineup this week. If you are new to the channel, new to Diamond Art Club, please stick around. You will not be disappointed. So what do we have in store today? Right away, you can see by the box, this big blue square in the middle means this is a square kit. And if you have been waiting for another Peggy Collins to come out, this is the one for you. Are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. Penny, the pretty poodle. How adorable is she? She is saying, just take me home, please. My flowers need some love. Yes, this is a square. It's a 65 by 65 centimeter, which is 25.6 by 25.6 inches. And we're going to open this baby up. What comes inside this amazing, beautiful pink box? Well, first, your Diamond Art Club packaged beautifully canvas and drills. You also get your toolkit and you get an extra sticker. This sticker has all the information you need to know what is going to be on this painting. You can put it in your logbook. You can put it on the end of your box if that's how you store it. You can put it inside your kit up to let you know what drills are inside. The sky's the limit, but here's your extra sticker. Let's open the lovely toolbox. What I like about this is you get all the contents in here on the outside, and we're going to see just exactly what surprises are in here. So you're going to get your white tray with stopper. This comes out and back in. So when you shake your drills, they're not going to depart. Exit this way, just kind of like at a plane. Exit, 4 exits throughout the plane. No, we're not going to exit unless we want to. You're going to get all the baggies that you need to cover every single color. You can use these to kit up, you can use these to kit down, or you can put them aside, use them to store your cover minders, whatever you may like. You're going to get your pink wax. Make sure 2 of them, you take the plastic coating off the top. One time I didn't, and I was like, why? Why is it not working? Duh, to me at least. All right. Oh, this is interesting. There are 2. Okay, I think it's not 2. I think what it is they cut the last part of the washi tape usually gets cut off, and I wonder if it was stuck together when they put it in. So it's not, I don't believe it's 2. I think it was stuck together at the factory because it's the same tape at the end of the die lot. So I'm going to put that aside. But this cute purple flowers washi tape. Because it's a square, we get the Diamond Art Club tweezers. We have the beautiful blue sparkle pen, single placer pen with the matching squishy. My hands sometimes have issues, but this is going to go on for you. And then you're going to have your 4 placer and your 7 placer. So you can put that on the end, and now you have a multi. See, sometimes I just need the table to help me. Multi-placer on one side and a single placer on the other. Absolutely perfect. And then you're going to get a random cover minder. What is a cover minder? It is a magnet on each, one loose and one on an item. And you're going to put one magnet on the back of your canvas, and the pretty one goes on top to help you decorate and hold back your cover, your plastic, whatever you use to keep your canvas safe. This is a macaroon. So cute. I don't have that color yet. Okay, let's make sure I got everything out. I'm going to put this aside while we open up what you're really here for. Okay, I'm going to pause, open it up so I don't hit the camera, and be right back. Okay, all I did was take the plastic off, didn't even unroll it. You're gonna get this beautiful patented velvet feeling backing, serged edges, so that if your canvas does decide to be a little naughty and fray, the serge is gonna keep it from fraying into the important part of your canvas. And that's all the way around. Okay, this has 51 colors. You can see on the key. Look how beautiful those colors are. Oh my Lanta. Down here, you can tell with the Z's, 1, 2, 3, 4 fairy dust. And anything below a 150 is going to be an AB. So you got 2 ABs here. Look at all that 310, people. This is not a partial. All that black you see, you're going to be laying that down, but that's really going to make your amazing poodle pop. What I wanted to see on this was the rendering, because you've got all that Peggy Collins details. All right, so get the thank you brochure, gives you tips, tricks, gives you a little coupon on the back. You get something for your journal if you want, a start and end date. Here is a photo of your poodle. What would you name Peggy? Or Penny? I keep calling her Peggy. I'm so sorry. Penny, the pretty poodle. I don't know. I might name her something different. Or keep her Penny. Like I said, 51 colors. Here's your symbols. So many beautiful colors. But we're going to get a lot of 310 here. Your drills are going to come separately, but I love that they're labeled by both the number of the canvas and the title. So if you do separate your canvas from your drills, you can easily find them. I'm going to open those up in a minute. And then on your canvas at the bottom, you're going to have that number again, and you're going to have the name. You're going to have who it's by. You see that it's licensed, so the artist always gets the credit and gets that financial reimbursement for their work. The size, and then you got the pasting area. What's different is if there's a partial, the part that you don't have drills is going to be the white background that you see of the canvas. So most of them are not partial, so that's why the pasting area is complete. Okay, so let's look here. Look at this beautiful dog. Don't you just want a pet? And see, look at those flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. Can you imagine all that fairy dust and those ABs? And that black is just really going to make it pop. All right, so a lot of the ABs, let's go through here. So 1 and 2 are the ABs. 1 is like a lavender, so it is scattered throughout. Here, here, just kind of on the tips of the pink and the purple flowers. And then 2 is an orange. So that's going to be throughout here where you see these orange colors. Up here in the flowers, a lot of it is sprinkled through. On other canvases, you can easily point this out. This is really all over the place. So the ABs are wherever you see that yellow, orange. Now let's look. The purple, which we'll see in a minute, the fairy dust, is like an anchor color. So as I'm looking through here, I'm seeing some right here in the middle, where my light is. I'm seeing, some up here. They're really scattered. It's literally like they threw it down and we're like, this would be the best place for a little bling here and a little bling there. The equal sign is like a light blue. That is out here, through here, this blue right here. Not much in the snout. Some up here, some over here. Then you've got V. Now V is also another light blue color. That is throughout the snout. It's over here on these little ringlets. It's out here. Then you've got the green fairy dust, which is like a little tent. Okay, so that again is kind of like the lavender, just very minor, sprinkled throughout, just enough to give you a little depth of color. So let's look at those colors now. Crinkle, crinkle. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're going to count the number of 3 tags. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 23 tags. They have their own train. Now let's look at the pops of color. All right, so we've got 3808, 3809. We're just going to keep going through all of these colors. Here's your 718. Okay, so here's your first AB. It's that yellow orange I was talking about. So many rich, vibrant, not neon, but just very vibrant. It's going to pop beautifully on that black. And here's our first fairy dust. This is that V I was talking about that's going to go in the snout. And what this is like a mica powder on top to give you just that subtle. It's also not transparent, but it's a little bit of a lighter drill so that there's a little bit different color palette to it. Here's the green I was talking about. Here's your pink and your purple. Okay. You've got your 939s. Here's your blues and yellows and greens. That's a rich green right there. Okay, here's that darker blue. You can see the mica powder a little bit better there. Okay, and then our last train of drills. There's that pink lavender AB. And oh, I like that color right there. And then here's that purple mica powder. You can see it pretty good on there. Fairy dust. And there you go. Absolutely gorgeous canvas. You're going to get your key in the upper left. You're going to get your key in the bottom right. You also have your sticker sheet that you can use to kit things up with your 51 colors. Absolutely gorgeous. So let me know, what Peggy Collins things do you have down in the chat? Not the chat, the comments. And let me know what ones you want to see out of Peggy Collins' collection. Thank you so much for putting up with my not so sexy voice, but I hope you enjoy this beauty. Till next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.